All right, everybody, you are on the hood of the fire team once again, onboard footage. My goal here today is just to hopefully get enough good shots to give you guys another Scottish bagpipe dubstep song. I was really digging those, so let's go play. I'd hoped that wasn't going to happen, but it happened. Damn it. Yep, you're looking at the sky. Damn it. Bloops. Alright, I gotta go back to the house and tighten the mount up. Okay, all I had to do is go to the shop, grab a screwdriver. It's in my pocket. Sure, I need it again. Let's go. Alright guys, it's not working out, is it? I'm still gonna put it up. Maybe if I cut out the stupid spots it'll still be cool, I don't know. Later. Okay guys, well, 10 minutes. I'm in the sun. 10 minutes. I broke the shock end again. That's a brand new one I just put on. Arrma OEM heavy duty shock end. No bueno. No bueno. You guys got a recommendation for some better shotguns? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching me break my shit again. This thing's always breaking something. At least it's small though, you know. I'll try not to complain too much. Later.